Sheikh Obilan led prayers at Swaira Primary School, while Sheikh Yusuf Okirol led prayers at the sorority city ground. While leading iftar prayers at Swaira Primary School in Sorority City, Sheikh Obilan urged Muslims to embrace love, unity and peaceful coexistence with Christians. Obilan noted that the Muslims should come out and demonstrate love to the world so that everybody can see true love.
We need to spread love beyond boundaries. We need to spread dignity, respect for one another. We need to spread peaceful coexistence and harmonious living in society. We have encouraged the Muslims not to always only confine themselves in their circles of Muslims. We need to understand that love is God-given. It's a broad thing. We need to spread it beyond even our faiths so that we can have a peaceful society. It is the same God that we serve.
Sheikh Yusuf Okirol, County Sheikh Sorority City District, called upon the Muslims to help the needy.
Let's remain in that very state of helping the others, helping the needy, because that is what is required for you and me, helping the poor, helping the needy, more especially those ones who have less source of income. We are emphasized in Islam to help everybody of that kind. So today is Eid Day. We have celebrated Eid Day.
Abibu Yassin, Deputy Imam Sorority District, called upon the Muslims to celebrate Eid al-Fitr by not committing any evil.
They need to celebrate, but celebration should be carefully. They should not celebrate by doing evil. They have to eat, they have to praise Allah, they have to do anything which is positive, because today is their day. We are from fasting, and today we are breaking the fast. So we are grateful and happy.